Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the delicious world of authentic French food. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we explore the rich flavors and culinary traditions of France. So, let's jump right in. Number 1. The essence of authentic French food. When we talk about authentic French food, we're talking about a cuisine that has a long history and a deep connection to its cultural heritage. It's all about using fresh, high-quality ingredients and mastering traditional cooking techniques. From the rich sauces to the delicate pastries, every dish tells a story of craftsmanship and passion. Number 2. Classic French dishes. One cannot discuss authentic French food without mentioning some classic dishes. Let's start with the iconic coq au vin, a hearty chicken stew cooked in red wine. It's a dish that showcases the rustic flavors of the French countryside. Another beloved dish is ratatouille, a vibrant vegetable medley bursting with Mediterranean flavors. And of course, we can't forget about the famous bouillabaisse, a delectable seafood soup originating from the port city of Marseille. Number 3. Regional specialties. France is known for its diverse regions, each with its own unique culinary specialties. In the north, you'll find the indulgent flavors of dishes like beef bourguignon and tarte flambée. Traveling to the south, you'll encounter the aromatic herbs and spices of Provençal cuisine, which give dishes like ratatouille and bouillabaisse their distinct taste. And let's not overlook the delectable cheeses, such as camembert from Normandy and Roquefort from the south. Number 4. French pastries and bakeries. Ah, the French pastries. They are a true work of art. From the buttery croissants to the delicate macarons, French patisseries are a paradise for those with a sweet tooth. The fluffy eclairs, the luscious crème brûlée, and the colorful fruit tarts are just a few examples of the mouthwatering treats you can find in a traditional French bakery. Number 5. Wine and cheese pairings. In France, the art of pairing wine and cheese is taken very seriously. From the rich and creamy brie to the pungent Roquefort, there is a cheese for every wine, and a wine for every cheese. The combination of a perfectly aged red wine with a slice of artisanal cheese is a match made in heaven. So, don't hesitate to explore the world of French wine and cheese pairings. Number 6. Experiencing French cuisine. If you're truly passionate about authentic French food, why not consider visiting France? Exploring local markets, indulging in Michelin-starred restaurants, and participating in cooking classes can offer an immersive experience into the world of French cuisine. So, add France to your travel bucket list and embark on a culinary adventure you won't forget. We hope this video has inspired you to try some of these mouthwatering dishes and experience the magic of French cuisine. Let us know in the comments which French dish is your favorite. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gastronomic adventures. Until next time, bon appétit!